Welcome to Decor Ideas, where creativity, craftsmanship, and inspiration come together. Here, wood transforms into timeless decor, and every idea sparks a new possibility for your home. Join us on this journey of design, artistry, and innovation, because your home deserves beauty built by imagination. Today, we will show you a collection of high-demand handmade wooden crafts design inspiring ideas for modern makers and dream homes. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Handmade wooden crafts have always carried a timeless charm, but in today's world of fast-paced living, mass production, and fleeting trends, their value shines brighter than ever because they offer not just objects, but experiences, not just decor, but stories. Not just functionality, but deep emotional connections that resonate with both creators and homeowners alike. And when we begin to talk about high-demand wooden craft ideas for the modern woodmaker, what we are really exploring is a journey of creativity and meaning that can transform not only homes, but also lives, because the heart of craftsmanship beats with passion, patience, and purpose. For today's modern woodmaker, inspiration is everywhere. Hidden in the grains of a plank, in the roughness of reclaimed timber, in the delicate curve of a hand-carved edge, and in the warmth of natural finishes that cannot be replicated by machines. And what makes this era so remarkable is that more and more people are beginning to crave the authenticity, individuality, and artistry that handmade wooden pieces provide, creating an ever-growing demand for unique, handcrafted decor that adds soul to living spaces. To engage with this movement is to step into a dialogue between maker and admirer, where every crafted item becomes a language of beauty, style, and personality, inviting those who encounter it to feel a connection that mass-produced goods can never evoke. And this is precisely why handmade wooden crafts are not just decor items. They are living expressions of creativity, symbols of sustainability, and treasures for dream homes that are meant to inspire, comfort, and impress. When we imagine a modern living space, we do not think only of sleek lines and minimalist trends. We imagine warmth blended with style, innovation fused with tradition, and pieces that speak to individuality while harmonizing with contemporary design. And it is here that handmade wooden crafts become essential, because they embody both heritage and innovation, making them irresistible for homeowners who want their spaces to feel alive, personal, and timeless. The magic lies in the emotional pull they create. Because a hand-carved wooden frame on the wall is not just a decorative element, it is a reminder of artistry preserved, a whisper of history woven into modernity, and a visual anchor that gives a home character. While a handmade wooden lamp or centerpiece becomes more than an object of utility, it becomes the soul of the room, radiating warmth and personality. This emotional connection is what makes people not only desire handmade crafts, but also treasure them, and as demand grows, it becomes an opportunity for modern woodmakers to align passion with profit, crafting items that speak to the heart while capturing the imagination of those who want their homes to reflect something truly special. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The modern market is driven by this hunger for meaning, for beauty that does not fade with trends, for decor that feels authentic and personal, and that hunger is what gives rise to the high demand for wooden crafts. Tables that double as stories of sustainability, shelves that bring both utility and style, trays that evoke charm, or decorative pieces that feel like heirlooms even when newly created. For the creator, The real journey is not only in shaping wood but also in shaping connections, because every piece made by hand carries within it the power to spark engagement, to ignite conversations, to make someone pause and appreciate the human effort behind the design. And this sense of human touch is exactly what today's dream homes are seeking. A dream home is not built on bricks and mortar alone. It is built on atmosphere, emotion, and character, and wooden crafts bring all three with grace and warmth, turning empty rooms into soulful spaces where every item feels chosen, loved, and alive. This is why the art of handmade woodcraft is not just a craft, but a movement, a renaissance of mindful living, where modern makers are celebrated for their ability to breathe life into wood and turn it into decor that feels timeless yet contemporary, personal yet universally admired. Stylish yet sustainable. To emotionally hook an audience with wooden crafts is to remind them of what is often lost in a world of convenience: the value of slowness, the beauty of imperfection, the charm of uniqueness, and the intimacy of knowing that what adorns their home was not churned out of a factory, but lovingly shaped by hands that cared about every detail. And when engagement is built on emotion, it is no longer about selling an item. It is about offering a story, sharing a vision, and inviting people to be part of a larger journey of creativity and inspiration. Because customers today are not just buyers, they are seekers of meaning, and wooden crafts give them exactly that. The dream home of today is one where every object has a voice, where personality is etched into details, where beauty is not only seen but also felt, and handmade wooden crafts are the most eloquent narrators of such spaces. For the modern woodmaker, this moment in history is golden, demand is high, appreciation is deep, and opportunities to connect, inspire, and succeed have never been greater. But the key lies in staying true to the essence of the craft, in pouring authenticity into every piece, in letting passion drive creation, and in trusting that the world will recognize and value the difference. Inspiration, when combined with craftsmanship, creates magic, and that magic is what turns ordinary rooms into extraordinary sanctuaries, plain walls into galleries of meaning, and empty corners into havens of warmth. Wooden crafts are not just accessories to a home, they are the heartbeat of decor, the essence of personality, and the promise of beauty that lasts. And it is this truth that ensures their place not only in dream homes, but also in thriving markets where buyers are constantly searching for the next piece that feels like it was made just for them. To create handmade wooden crafts today is to hold a key to both emotional fulfillment and entrepreneurial success, because every design that is born from inspiration has the power to connect, to engage, and to sell. And every home that welcomes such pieces becomes a testament to the fact that beauty crafted by hand will always remain in demand. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked, high-demand, handmade wooden crafts design inspiring ideas for modern makers and dream homes. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end.